Edit profile picture. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit profile picture on Threads. So first thing, go to application and then click on edit profile, and then you see here this icon, tap on it and it will give you new profile picture on or import from Instagram. All you need to do is click on new profile picture or import from Instagram and edit your profile picture, easy and quick. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.